For us trying to look for a safer alternative to the way we look at cooking, here are the top 5 electric kettles in our opinion, for you to be able to distinguish a good choice for your uh, next kitchen purchase of an electric kettle. Our fifth spot in this list is the Hamilton Beach 3-in-1 electric indoor griddle. The Hamilton Beach 3-in-1 electric indoor griddle is our first entry in this list with good sizing at about 12.51 times 23 times 6.71 inches. It's because of this that it's simple to clean and has a double grilling zone. Yes, a double grilling zone, where you can be able to cook two things at once. With a center grease channel for grease control. And twice that, its pads on each of the sides of the double grilling zone can be interchangeable and have a griddle on one side and a grill on the other, for you to be able to grill or griddle your cooking items. Our fourth entry on this list is the Dash Deluxe Everyday Electric Griddle. The Dash Deluxe Everyday Electric Griddle is a non-stick and easy to clean version of your regular old griddle. As well as being electric, this one consists of an area of 20 times 10.5 inches and total simple to clean. This is a very important entry in this list because this one is the simple one on the list, and you should be able to, if you don't want a very complicated griddle, you should be able to get this one. Number third on this list is the Bella Electric Griddle with a warming tray. The Bella Electric Griddle with a warming tray has an area of about 22.4 inches times 12.59 times 2.95 inches. A large tray, but as well easy to clean, but also includes a warming tray that keeps food warm while you cook some more. It cooks about 8 pancakes or eggs at once, and it also has a safe and healthy non-stick coating, so you won't be able to, you won't worry about food sticking and causing trouble. This is very important because a lot of the griddles in today's electric griddles have a non-stick coating, yeah, but it's not very healthy, and we're looking for a better, healthier alternative to the griddle. Our second entry in this list is a Bella Ceramic Electric Ceramic Titanium Griddle. The Bella Electric Ceramic Titanium Griddle has a size of 23.15 times 11.42 times 2.76 inches. It's durable and efficient. Ceramic makes it 8 times as so, and makes it cook up to 30% faster. And as far, it includes a non-stick coating. Non-stick coating, cooking out non-stick coating like our last entry included. Since it's the best, it's the same brand. This one's also very. We put this one just because of its materials. It's made out of titanium and copper, and makes it cook faster. It will cook faster and 8 times or so more durable. So, if you want a more safer and a more solid version of our last entry, you should go for this one. Just to be more sure. Our first entry is, now our first spot on this list is going to be the Presto 07 or 61. The Presto 07 or 61 is about 11.5 times 2.26.25 times 2.5 inches. It has a premium non-stick surface and is better at being stored than every other option out there. This one's simple and effective, and you should be able to put it on your kitchen and use it at any time, anywhere. And this is going to be the perfect version of the griddle that you should be able to use in your kitchen. So we should recommend this one over any of the other entries on the list, even though the others are good as well. Each of them have a hefty price that you can still pay for, and it's not going to be as expensive. So that does it for the list. Thank you for watching this video. Out of our videos, there will be we'll have affiliate links in the video description that will take you to the Amazon product page of our page for you to be able to buy if you want. Thank you for watching as always, and have a good day, and don't die. Bye bye.